Hello everyone, Nikita here. In this presentation, I am going to discuss organolanthanide compound for organic synthesis. We will focus specifically on cerium containing compound. So my presentation will cover organocerates, their introduction, how we can prepare the organocerates and its chemical reaction to synthesize the different functional groups. As we all know, cerium is a 4F series element. That means it is a lanthanide. Its electronic configuration is xenon 4F2 6s2. That means its outer electrons move towards the 4F orbital. So we consider as a periodic table it is as a lanthanide element. So we'll see how the organocerates are important in organic synthesis. The compounds which contain carbon to cerium chemical bond are known as specifically organocerates. We study their application, their synthesis in the organocerium compounds, where cerium can exist in two different oxidation states. Either it can be in +3 or in +4 state. The example like tris cyclopentadienyl cerates. Organocerium compounds show weak basicity or negligible basicity, and though it shows very high nucleophilicity. So the carbon has a nucleophilic character, so it can easily form the carbon-carbon bond with the electrophilic moieties, or it shows the nucleophilic addition reactions. Firstly, we will see how we can prepare the organocerates compound. The cerium containing organometallic compounds can be synthesized using the Grignard reagent or organolithium reagent. So in this reaction, the organic part from the Grignard reagent or organolithium reagent will transfer to the ceric chloride. This reaction is known as transmetallation. So here we can see either organolithium like RLI group is treated with the ceric chloride in THF solvent around -78 degrees Celsius. Then this lithium chloride will be eliminated and we will get the organocerates. If we are treating Grignard reagent with ceric chloride in THF, then the reaction condition needs the 0 to 20 degrees Celsius temperature, and it gives the RMGX.CeCl3. That means it will give the complex of the cerium compound. By usually specifically with the double bond and triple bond containing alkyl group, we'll use the organolithium because they need a very low reaction temperature to synthesize the organocerates. Here we can see the different type of organocerates compound can be synthesized. Simple R group can be a normal alkyl chain, it can be dienyl type compound, it can be alkynylic compound. Different heterocyclic moieties can be used as a R group, or different type of moieties we can use as alkyl group, and we can transmetallate them with ceric chloride and prepare the organocerate compounds. Organocerium compounds gives a nucleophilic addition reaction with carbonyl compounds. So they gives a similar reaction as the organolithium and magnesium compounds gives. But the basic difference is that these compounds omit the side reactions which can happen with the organolithium and Grignard reagent because of their very high reactivity and basic nature of these compounds. So here we can see this is a carbonyl containing compound where the butyl ceric chloride was used as a reagent. Then this organocerate will add on the carbonyl group. So this butyl group will attack on this carbon which is electrophilic, and the bond will move like this. So CeCl2 will be attached on the oxygen. In the next step, when we hydrolyze with the HCl, ceric chloride will eliminate and we will get the alcohol. So here on this carbon, this butyl group is added. So organocerates gives the nucleophilic addition reaction with carbonyl compounds. These organocerates can also use to react with the cycloalkanone types moiety. Here we have taken cyclopentanone. When we treat this with the organocerate compound, then it can be used. It can form the nucleophilic addition product. Like here we are using this organocerate compound which is in situ synthesized using the organolithium reagent which contain the trimethyl group. It reacts with the ceric chloride, so we will get this organosilate. Now when this organosilate will react on the carbonyl group, then it will give the nucleophilic addition reaction. So here OH group will come, and here this CH2SiMe3 group will be attached. If we treat this product with the hydrofluoric acid, then because of the acidic media, this hydrogen will protonate this OH group. So here OH2 positive will come, and this fluoride will attack on the silyl group of this compound. So because silicon fluoride bond is very strong bond, so it will form the bond here, and this bond will move. So simultaneously when this bond will move, this water molecule will be eliminated. By this reaction we can convert the cyclopentanol moiety into the cycloalkenic moiety. So we can methylate the cycloalkanol moiety using the organocerates. The best benefit of organocerium compounds are that they are weak, basic or non-basic, but have high nucleophilicity. So they can selectively add on the carbonyl group even in presence of different functional moieties like alcohols, amines or etc., because they do not abstract the proton and omit the side reactions like enolization, acid-base reaction, reduction and so on. Where if we use the organolithium or Grignard reagent, then the acid-base reaction, reduction are the side reactions or competitive reactions. So our product yield can be decreased. So this is a benefit in the organocerium compound. So here if we have taken the beta hydroxycarbonyl compound which is treated with the organocerate compound, so it will selectively add on the carbonyl group. So this compound here, this compound is added here and this will move here. So here OCeCl2 bond will form, which is hydrolyzed and converted into alcohol. So organocerate compound will transfer the carbonyl moieties into the alcohols. If they add on the alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound, that means on enol like species, then they give the selectively 1,2 addition. That means the double bond will remains intact. So when this alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound is treated with the organocerate, our product will be alcohol, alpha beta unsaturated alcohol we will get. Here this bond remains intact, while if we treat the Gilman reagent, that is Gilman reagent with the alpha beta unsaturated compound, and the Michael addition reaction will takes place and we will get the 1,4 addition product. Organocerium compounds can add on the different functional moieties like amides, acyl chlorides, etc. Here we have taken the example for CN multiple bonds, where the organocerates will add on the carbon-nitrogen bond, because here the carbon will be electrophilic in nature. So it can add on the cyanides, imines and so on. The first example is containing the imine group. Here the C double bond N is present, where the carbon is electrophilic and nitrogen is nucleophilic in nature. So when the organocerates will attack here, this carbon-carbon bond formation will take place. This CH3 group will goes on this carbon, this bond will move here. So CeCl2 will form bond here. In presence of chloroformate, ceric chloride will eliminate and CO2Me group will functionalize on the nitrogen moiety. And here the CH3 group is attached. So we can functionalize the different imine compounds with the organocerium compound selectively. The next example containing the cyanide moiety, where the C triple bond N is present. So here we have taken the organolithium with ceric chloride. So here the MeCeCl2 will form in C2. That Me group will goes on carbon and this bond will move here. On the first addition it will convert into imine. On the second addition it will convert into the amines, because 2-time addition on this carbon will takes place and 2 CH3 group will be present in the product. So here the double addition will take place of organocerate, then cyanide can convert it into the amines. Now we will see some important biochemical transformation where the organocerates are used. First example, where bromotoluene is used as an initial reactant that reacts with the butyl lithium. So where in the first step halogen metal exchange reaction will take place, we will get the organolithium compounds where the butyl bromide will be eliminated. This compound is further treated with the CD chloride in THF at minus 78 degrees Celsius. So here organocerate compound will comes and lithium chloride will be eliminated. This organocerate compound is treated with the cyclopentanone moiety. So this carbon will attach on this carbonyl carbon and bond will move. So here we'll get the alcohol, where this on this carbon this toluene group will be present. So we can functionalize the cyclopentanone carbonyl moiety or cyclic ketones also. Further, when we dehydrate this molecule, then this water molecule will eliminate it, and here double bond will come. So laurocoumarine B will be synthesized, that is a natural product. So by the organocerate we can synthesize the different type of natural products. Now coming to the other example, in the organic synthesis, to generate the quaternary center is a very important transformation, specifically when one stereogenic center is already present in the molecule. So here this carbonyl group is present and one stereogenic center is present. Now if we wanted to convert this carbonyl group into the quaternary center, then we can use the organocerate. So here we have taken some vinyl lithium type moiety in presence of cerium chloride. So first that will form the organocerate. This organocerate will add on the carbonyl group by the nucleophilic addition reaction. So here we have this side chain on this carbon and it is converted into OH. So basically this carbonyl is converted into allylic alcohol type moiety. On further some subsequent step by dehydration and reduction, this compound can synthesize the colistin skeleton, which is important in different type of natural products. Now here we have taken one more example. Here we have taken some different heterocyclic group as a R group. This is an organocerate. This group reacts with this type of complex, where here we can see here the carbonyl group is present. So organocerate will add on this carbonyl group. Now by the nucleophilic addition reaction, here we can see here that it is transformed into the alcohol. This R group is present here and it is converted into OH. Now this organocerates are attacking towards the viewer, because away from the viewer, that means the dash position, already this ring, this here we can see the dash position, this whole group is present. So bulky group is present away from the viewer, so the group will attack, incoming group will attack from towards the viewer. So here we can see this R group is present on the wedge position. Now here this silyl group and this silyl group is present on the nitrogen as a nitrogen protecting group. So we can remove them in presence of tetrabutyl ammonium fluoride and aqueous hydrochloric acid. So on treatment with tetrabutyl ammonium fluoride, this protecting group will be removed, and here we can say we have generated the amines functionality again. So this moiety will form, which is known as roseophilin. It is the antibiotic, is used for the tumor. So by the organocerate compound we can use the different organocerate compound we can use in different transformation, and they are very useful to synthesize the natural product, colistin skeleton, different drug moieties and so on. Thank you.